My name is Jessie Hinola, and I'm in the interior design program at VCAD. I put in a lot of time, and sometimes we tend to be so critical of ourselves and look at our work in every single detail. And I think being in this program, with the teachers especially, they just help you to be more confident in that. I would recommend this program to future students or anyone who's thinking of going into design. I think it's a really good practice going into the industry, and you learn a lot. And not by reading textbooks, I think you just learn a lot by experience and doing it hands-on. So for my final project, it was the chocolate cafe. So I tried to stage my space reflecting my renders, and I just wanted it to be clean and simple and kind of cute and comfortable at the same time. People can sit down on the chair while reading and looking through my portfolio book.